that thoughts come from this creative energy pool, which is self-manifesting, which is highly creative. It has specific frequencies, specific vibrations for specific purposes. Now, what happens when your hair gets ast-vyast, disheveled? What do you do? What do you do? Correct? You comb it. Simple. Similarly, when thoughts get jumbled, what do? You need a comb. You need a good comb to comb it. Then there will be order, there will be discipline, there will be no stress inside you, and you will progress better. So we are looking for a comb. We are looking for a comb which can comb our thoughts. Now I told you in this pool above there are all kinds of thoughts, all kinds of frequencies. But how do we get the right thoughts? Tell me. How do we get the right thoughts? Because until and unless we don't get the right thoughts, we cannot move forward. Correct? So that is why we are trying to put in a software which is intelligent. I also told you various possibilities of removing stress, but we understood that they were limited. And that is why now we come to the actual subject of today's workshop. That dhyan or meditation is the only technology or technique whereby you can comb the thought world. The thought world जो है ऊपर, the energy pool, the pool of all frequencies, all thoughts, उसको comb करने का जो कंगा है वो ध्यान है. Only when you become meditative, you will acquire the comb to comb the thought world and pick up the right thoughts. You will pick up the right thoughts by that technology. Now when you pick up the right thought, what happens? Immediately क्या होता है बताइए please. I want you to participate. When you get the right thought, Mr. Rao, what do? Immediately क्या करोगे आप? Suppose you get the right thought. What will you do? No. What will you do?
Action.
Action के पहले भी तो एक स्टेज होता है.
Express it.
That's right. She said it. Express it. First thing आप बोलेंगे या लिखेंगे, express करेंगे उसको. So when you have the right thoughts, you will get the right words. You will get the right expressions. You will get the right words. So when you are combing the thought world through an intelligent software which is implanted in you, an intelligent comb, you will get right thoughts leading to right words, leading to right. You said this अभी बताया आपने actions, right actions. Okay. अभी अगर आपके actions right है तो क्या होगा? बताइए. अगर actions right है तो very correct. You will get the right results. Now when you get the right results, what will happen? आप कहाँ move करेंगे? Every time you get the right thought, right word, right action, right result, what will happen?
Right direction.
You will get the right direction leading to. You will reach your goals and targets. You will reach your various goals and targets. So in other words, by getting this software, you are able to do everything correctly all the time. And I have proved it to you how this works in a scientific manner. So we have to now address ourselves to this Shakti, to this energy bundle, this source from where everything comes. So what are we doing? We are doing a fundamental change. We are doing a fundamental change of approaching the right place, first of all. Unless you go to the right dukaan, you cannot get the goods. So we are now going to address ourselves directly to the source from where everything is born, unfettered, and we will be able to